Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, once said, "Better to trip with the feet than with the tongue." You are a smart person. You have a good heart, and I know you want to be heard. But here is the brutal truth. The way you are speaking right now is making people ignore you. You think you are being polite, but to the world, you look weak, you look submissive, and you look like a victim. Your problem has a name. In dark psychology, we call it the Nervous Rambler. And today, I am going to give you a weapon to kill it. It is a technique used by kings, emperors, and master negotiators. It is called the pregnant pause. If you master this, you will never have to raise your voice again. But first, you need to understand the 3 traps you are falling into every single day. Mistake number 1, the filler reflex. Let's be honest, when a conversation stops and the silence hits, what do? You panic. Your brain screams, "This is awkward. Say something." So you start making noise. So yeah, anyway, you vomit meaningless words just to fill the void. Why do you do this? Because deep down, you are afraid of the silence. You feel that if you stop talking, you will lose their attention. But actually, it is the opposite. When you rush to fill the silence, you are signaling insecurity. You are telling them, "I am not comfortable with myself. Please validate me." Stop doing this. Embrace the void. Next time, when the silence comes, don't kill it. Sit in it. Look them in the eye. Relax your shoulders and realize that the silence is only awkward for them. By doing this, you flip the script. You force them to chase your approval, and that is high status. Mistake number 2, the volume battle. This is the most common mistake. It happens when someone interrupts you. They cut you off in the middle of your sentence. Most men react by talking louder. You try to overpower them with volume. You speed up to finish your point. Do not do this. When you shout to be heard, you are acting like a child fighting for a toy. It is desperate. It is low value. So here is the solution. The next time someone interrupts you, stop. Cut to black. Silence your voice completely and stare at their forehead. This creates what psychologists call a vacuum. Humans are terrified of being ignored. When you suddenly stop, you create a psychological pressure that screams louder than any word. They will stumble, they will feel rude, and they will stop talking. Wait for that moment. Wait until the room is dead silent. And then you calmly say, "As I was saying," and you continue at your own pace. Slow, deliberate, like a king. Mistake number 3, the servant speed. This is a subtle one, but it destroys your authority. When someone asks you a question, how fast do you answer? Immediately? Instantly? If you answer too fast, you are signaling that your time is cheap. Servants jump when the master calls. Masters take their time. So use the 3-second rule. When a difficult question lands, do not speak. Count in your head. 1, 2, 3. This pause is a power move. First, it triggers their anxiety. They wonder, did I ask something wrong? Second, it makes your answer sound like supreme wisdom. Because in a world of noise, the man who thinks before he speaks is the most dangerous man in the room. Don't give away your thoughts for free. Make them earn it. But a small warning, context is everything. I once used the pregnant pause on a first date. She asked me, "Do you love me?" I waited 3 seconds, then 10 seconds. I thought I looked like a Stoic god, but she left me. Apparently, silent treatment is not a love language. So, use silence wisely. But remember this, silence is powerful, but it is not the ultimate weapon. There is one thing more terrifying to the human brain than a man who says nothing. It is a man who is willing to lose everything. Silence makes them listen. But absence? Absence makes them chase. Most people stay in bad deals, bad jobs, and bad relationships because they are afraid to let go. They negotiate like beggars. But the Stoic? The Stoic negotiates like a king because he owns the most dangerous power on earth, the power to walk away. In the next video, I will teach you how to use this nuclear option. I will teach you how to win by being willing to leave. Subscribe or stay desperate. The choice is yours.